Happy New Year! I hope that the 2021 will bring a lot of exciting and good things to all of you. I want to thank you for all of the support that you've shown and that you've helped My Deep Guide grow so much in the past year. I hope that we can get to continue to share the journey and that the channel grows further and that I can bring even more interesting products and more interesting and diverse content to you in the coming year. So I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of what to expect in 2021 from My Deep Guide. As some of you may know, but most of you probably don't, My Deep Guide is not a job for me. This is something that I aim to do and try to do 1 or 2 days per week. When there's a busier period, then I would actually line up and create content in advance so that I can dedicate my time to my work, which are several other things, and it's like 3 main categories. First one is I am a game developer and an app developer, and I'm actively working on several projects at the time. And that's something that I think I'm gonna start introducing in My Deep Guide as a vlog type of a content on Saturdays or Sundays, just a little bit of a progress, because it helps me keep track of the projects themselves, and it kind of forces me and it helps with self-motivation to continue moving on forward on each week. That's something that helps, and also a lot of viewers actually expressed interest in that, so why not? The second job, where I work as a 3D animation teacher in a school in Oslo. When those semesters hit, usually it's 4 weeks of connected classes, and then I have hardly the time for anything else, and it's just like 4 weeks of crunch. And finally, I also work for clients and well-established clients basically that I've worked with in the past as an animator, as a consultant, and or anything that they may need. How does My Deep Guide fit into all of this? Well, hopefully during 2021 we're gonna see expansion of the channel, covering some slightly more different products that are intersecting with the e-ink reader writing type of the world, but you know, something that's on the side, something that makes sense for us e-ink paper lovers, and a little bit more of vloggy type of content, simply because there's also different types of activities that I do. As you can see, there's instruments around here, so maybe some music content, and also I love doing astrophotography, and I think that's kind of an interesting one for some people as well, to actually see what it involves and what are the trials and what are the results. Either way, for me, it's an incredibly exciting year, and I can't wait to see what it brings. I wish you health, happiness, and love in 2021. See you in the next video. Bye!